The first thing I noticed when arriving at Holiday Haven in Bendalong on the south coast of New South Wales are the sounds of the waves crashing in the background and this beautiful bushland outlook. Within this family-sized cabin, you have a fantastic covered deck and a glide-under barbecue. This is a large and spacious family-sized cabin. You'll notice as well that the kitchen countertops are nice and low, and there is a glide-under section to do the dishes. The microwave and all the amenities are nicely within reach as well. This is the smaller bedroom for family. Beds are obviously made up for your arrival, but having 3 beds for a family is quite sizable. Another thing I noticed, and this is quite rare for cabins especially, is having so much circulation space for you to be able to transfer onto the bed as well. As you come into the accessible bathroom, the area is obviously a step-free open plan shower with a shower seat, grab rails, and you can see that the amenities are nice and within reach as well, and an adjustable shower rose. To the right, all the way along, are grab rails leading to the accessible toilet. And you'll notice that there is a glide under vanity and the mirror is nice and lowered within reach with easy turn tapware. A short distance from Holiday Haven Bendalong is the boat ramp on Manta Ray Road. There's some picnic spots, accessible toilets, and a perfect spot overlooking the bay. Whilst the swimming pool is not accessible, there are handrails with steps. The good thing is the splash park is accessible. There's some public amenities with some picnic tables, and there's some non-accessible play areas as well.